Welcome to the EDM Online Continuing Education video series from the Elevator Educators YouTube channel. This video series will cover a wide range of topics on elevating devices. These videos are unlisted on the Elevator Educators YouTube channel, but are provided to elevating device industry personnel registered on our email list. These videos are complementary to our EDM Online Continuing Education programs you have attended in the past. Thanks for viewing the videos, and comments can be sent to training@elevatoreducators.com. Please note this disclaimer regarding the following tutorial. The information in this continuing education series is not specific to any equipment and is generic in nature and shall only be used for educational purposes. Always follow the regulations, elevating device codes, and safety codes adopted in your jurisdiction. The information in this continuing education series should only be used in field applications when accepted as part of your company policies and procedures for installation, service, and maintenance of equipment. We accept no responsibility for the use of this information for any purpose. Question number 3. Elevator hoist ropes lubrication is more dependent on the time frame between oiling and oiling the rope when dry than the number of start cycles of the traction equipment. This is true. A failure to adequately lubricate can reduce the life of a rope by up to 50% and increase sheave wear. The number of starts of the equipment may be just as important when the starts are 250,000 or greater between oiling cycles, but hoist ropes should never be allowed to run in a dry condition. If an elevator is operating in an arid or dusty environment, naturally this is going to have an impact on the frequency of lubrication. In addition, any indication of humidity or air conditioning venting onto the ropes, extreme dirt or cement dust, or evidence of wildly fluctuating temperature changes in the hoistway or the machine room is worth immediate investigation. The amount of lubricant used and the frequency of field lubrication should be determined by the maintenance personnel. The amount of frequency of lubrication depends on such factors as atmospheric and climatic conditions, rope speed, and the type of elevator service. A good rule of thumb to follow is to check the film of lubricant on the drive shift grooves. With the machine out of service, carefully wipe the groove with your finger. If the groove is dry, field lubrication is required. Field lubrication is necessary to minimize wear on the ropes and sheaves, reduce friction between the wires, minimize corrosions due to atmospheric and operating conditions, help reduce bending fatigue by allowing movement between the wires and the strands. The proper field lubricant must be used so the traction relationship between the hoist ropes and the drive drum is not adversely affected. The lubricant should also be compatible with the strand and core lubricants and have good rope penetrating properties. Applied during manufacturing, lubricants are selected on the basis of rope service requirements. Elevator hoist ropes have a relatively long service life and need a lubricant that retains its chemical and physical properties for a period of several years and does not materially affect the traction design relationship. The core of an elevator rope is usually made of a vegetable fiber and is lubricated to specifications. During core manufacturing, lubricant penetrates to all fibers of the core. This lubricant eventually breaks down as the elevator rope operates and should be replenished by proper field maintenance. Use the lubricant that is approved in your company maintenance policies and the MCP. The core's most important job is providing support for the strands. Valley breakage is directly related to the support provided by the core. Lack of proper lubrication is the most common cause of core failure. The following are some of the references that were used to prepare this tutorial. Please review them for more information on hoist rope maintenance, inspection, and technical information. Thanks for watching and see you next video.